To make the best videos possible as a YouTube musician, you need a couple of tools that will help you with that. And in this video, I want to share with you a couple of those that are really important. So let's dive in. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more tips as a YouTube musician, don't forget to subscribe. First thing that you obviously need as a YouTube musician is a good camera. So you can get away with just using your phone and recording video there. The camera doesn't have to record in 4K, but it needs to have at least HD quality. And you can get away with 720p like one of the smaller cameras from Canon or any other brand. They can work perfectly as long as everything that you want to show in the video is clearly visible. Which brings us to proper lighting. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting. For example, if I turn down my light in this room and I only use the light on the back, it will become pretty dark, and I don't really like that because you don't see my face. Well, that's not much to see, but still. So even with a low quality camera, you can get some high quality footage if you set up the lighting professionally. And as you can see here, I only have 3 lights. A main large light, one in the back, and one of these small, fancy, colorful thingies just to brighten things up. And with 3 simple lights, I create a video that, at least for me, is the best quality possible and at least looks half decent. It's not too dark, it's not too bright, and it focuses on the subject, me, the talking head. Now, the last piece of hardware that you need as a musician is a decent microphone. And although you can get away with a lower quality microphone if you just want to have the talking head videos like I'm creating now, but if you want to record your instrument, you need a decent microphone. So I would advise to search for some decent USB mics, but even better is an external sound card, which also taps into tip number 4. I wasn't counting tips, but now I am. Tip number 4, find a decent sound card. You can combine this with a decent microphone. Sometimes you have these bundles from Focusrite, for example. They have a great bundle where you can get a sound card and the microphone. If you have a decent sound card, you will automatically have a better audio quality than just the built-in microphone or the built-in audio capabilities of your computer or laptop. So it will become valuable if you create lesson videos and tutorial videos, as you usually want to combine your voice with the voice of the instrument that you play. The main focus should be that your video is as high quality as possible and that you get the message across that you want to share with your ideal audience. Now, if you want more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.